months ago, I was still babysitting this off-grid solar system. Now, I haven't had to charge these batteries with the generator once. And here's the crazy part. I didn't buy new batteries. I just switched from 12 volts to 24. And later on in this video, I'll show you the numbers that really convinced me that this upgrade was worth it, 100%. Hey y'all, welcome to THAM141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time, we're praying for you. Listen, I'm not some kind of electrical engineer. I'm just a homesteader trying to keep the food cold, the showers wet, the lights on, and avoid listening to a generator all day. And for a while, my 12 volt setup worked. For the last 10 years, my 12 volt system worked wonderful. But if I flushed the toilet while I was making a cup of coffee, alarms would go off. Sometimes to the point where I would have to go and start the generator and hook up a manual battery charger to get the batteries back up to where they were supposed to be because the automatic shut off. I had voltage, sag, and I was usually concerned when I had to run anything big. I'd start the generator to do laundry. It didn't matter how much YouTube I watched, everybody had a different answer. More batteries, more solar panels, spend money, do this, do that. These are my 4 Ampere Time 12 volt 200 amp hour LiFePO 4 batteries. And honestly, these batteries have been great. When I went from lead acid to these batteries, it revolutionized power on my homestead. I was able to get my stand-up freezer. But changing how they were configured revolutionized everything. Here's what I was trying to run. A stand-up freezer, a well pump, a washing machine, a microwave, a coffee maker, a TV, a computer, lights, battery chargers for all my tools. And yes, in the summer, even the occasional air conditioner. That's real life off-gridding. That's day-to-day living. This isn't going to camp for a weekend and roughing it with a coffee maker and having enough power to keep your food cold. No, this is real off-grid life. This is not your laboratory testing. And on 12 volts, you're asking a lot of your system. Here's the simplest way I can explain this, okay? At 12 volts, your system needs more amps to make the same power. Your amps are your power. Your volts push the power through the cables and to the devices. And your ohms restrict the power. We're not going to get into ohms today. So if your microwave needs 1200 watts, that's around 100 amps at 12 volts. But at 24 volts, now you're only pulling around 50 amps. That means less strain on the system, less voltage drop, less heat being generated through your wires, happier inverter, and happier batteries. And honestly, a happier homesteader. Here's what shocked me. I used the same batteries, the same wires, the same cabin, the same lifestyle. But after switching to a 24 volt, 3000 watt inverter, the whole system calmed down. No hot wires, no alarms, no panic if I turn my coffee on and flush the toilet. That alone changed life out here and saved me a bunch of money. And yes, I did short out a battery and made some sparks fly. That woke me up. Little sparks flying all around my utility room. Nothing says learning experience quite like electrical shock and fireworks. But seriously, take your time. Connect your wires slowly. Double check everything. Because lithium batteries are amazing. But they absolutely demand respect. And I also have to give credit where credit's due. These Ampere Time batteries are amazing. For 200 amp hour batteries running my entire Homestead housing load, their resting charge at night when the sun goes down is between 26.1 and 27 volts. On sunny days, I'm even seeing 29.1 occasionally, which is a nice top-off charge. And I've only got 1100 watts of solar panels. After all, I'm running a real cabin. I'm not just running lights, and I'm not just charging cell phone batteries. I'm actually living, and that matters. So if you're building an off-grid setup and you're wondering whether you should go 12 volt or 24 volt, or if your power needs are just expanding, here's my honest experience. Going from 12 to 24 volts may be the best upgrade you can make without spending thousands of dollars on new batteries. And in my case, it completely revolutionized my system. Hands down. I wish somebody had explained it to me this simply earlier. Way earlier. And if you're running 12 volts, I want to hear your comments. What are your thoughts on your 12 volt system and maybe possibly going to 24 volts? Would you do it? Are you ready for the numbers that convince me that the upgrade was worth it 100%? 2 months with no generator. That's worth it to me. Gas costs a lot nowadays. Hey y'all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get a lot of use out of it. Remember, best way to support the channel is buy some merch. I got all sorts of merch. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. We love you, and God bless.